Good morning, everyone. This is CS Manisha Sharma, and you are watching my channel Professional Knowledge Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss about the due dates for AGM for the financial year 2021. By this video, we will going to learn that how to compute the actual due date for the AGM for the financial year 2021. So we will understand this topic with the help of three different cases, and after that you will get to know that what exactly the due date for AGM for the financial year 2021 in your case. So let's have the first example. Number one, first for the financial year, suppose the date of the AGM for the financial year 1920 was 25th of suppose 2020. Suppose the date of your AGM that was held in financial year 1920 was 25th of June 2020. Second case, the date of your last AGM that was held in 1920 was 30th September 2020. Okay. And third one, the date of your last AGM was 31st 12 2020. Okay. These are the dates of the AGM of your these are the dates of the last of your last AGM was held, that is in financial 1920. Now we have to compute the actual due date on which the AGM is supposed to be held. Okay, so we as per section 96 subsection 1, the AGM is required to be held within 6 months from the end of the financial year. So suppose if our financial year end on 31st March 2021, then 6 months from the 31st March 2021 will be 30th September 2021. So as per this case, here the actual date of your due date of your AGM for the financial year 2021 should be 30th September 2021. But this is wrong. The one more condition is there under section 96 that there should be a gap of 15 months at least between the two AGMs. So it is crossing the 15 months. So instead of 30th September, the due date of AGM should be 25th 9 2021. Means you are required to hold your AGM on or before 25th of September 2021 in this case. Second case, the date of your last AGM was 30th September 2020. In this case, 6 months from the end of financial year and 15 months both are compliant. So actual due date will be 30th September 2021. Same here, 30th September 2021. Okay. Now, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs as on uh 23rd of September 2021 extended the due date of AGM by 2 months. Okay. And you have to calculate these 2 months from the due date of AGM. So in first case, you have to compute your due date, extended date from this date, not from 30th September 2021. So here, what is the actual date on which you can, the date on which you can hold your AGM on or before that? The 2 months from 25th of September 2021 is 25th November 2021. So in first case, your extended date will be 25th November 2021. The day on before such you can, on or before 25th November you can hold your AGM. In this case, we have to compute 2 months from the 30th September 2021, then it will be 30th November 2021. And in this case also, 30th November 2021. So this is how you have to calculate your extended due date for the AGM. Make sure that the period between the two AGM shall not exceed 15 months in any case, and you have to compute these extended due date time period from the actual due date, not from the 30th September 2021. Thank you. Hope you like it.